Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable payment notifications in the shop application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the person button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then click on the notifications button. And within that, look for the payment section. And in order to enable this, click on the white circle next to it. And once it turns purple, this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.